Hey there! Do you ever feel like your network is this massive web of devices, traffic, and data that could go haywire at any moment? What if you could keep an eye on it 24/7 to make sure everything's running smoothly, detect potential threats before they escalate, and prevent problems before they even happen? That's where network monitoring comes in. Welcome to Bluehat Cybersec Academy. In this session, we are going to discuss 3 critical tools that every network admin should know about: SNMP, NetFlow/IPFIX, and log analysis. These tools aren't just about keeping your network up and running, they're about understanding what's going on behind the scenes. Let's get started. Let's start by talking about network monitoring. Essentially, it's about keeping a close watch on everything happening within your network. Imagine it like the control center of an aircraft, always monitoring things to ensure smooth flight. In a similar way, network monitoring makes sure that devices are operating properly, traffic is flowing as it should, and any issues or security risks are spotted early. Now you might be wondering, why is network monitoring so important? Well, without it, you're flying blind. Without the proper visibility into your network, problems can easily slip under the radar. A device might go offline, traffic could become congested, or worse, your network could be under attack. That's why effective monitoring is critical. With it, you can monitor in real time, track performance, analyze traffic, and most importantly, stay ahead of security threats. Next, let's talk about one of the most popular tools for network management: SNMP, or Simple Network Management Protocol. SNMP is one of the go-to protocols for keeping an eye on the health of your network devices. Think of it as a regular health checkup for your network. It allows you to monitor devices like switches, routers, and servers by sending and receiving messages that provide updates on their status. Now, if you're familiar with SNMP, you probably know there are a few different versions of it. You've got SNMP version 1, which is the original and the simplest, but it lacks much in the way of security. Then there's SNMP version 2C, which improves performance but still doesn't offer strong security features. Finally, we've got SNMP version 3, which is the most secure, offering encryption and better authentication methods to protect your data. So, how does SNMP actually help? It's great for monitoring the health of devices on your network. It lets you know if a device is up or down, its CPU usage, memory stats, and even how much bandwidth it's using. And if something goes wrong, you can set up alerts to be notified instantly, whether it's a device going offline or a resource running out of capacity. Plus, it's great for inventory management, as it helps you keep track of the devices on your network and their configurations. But, like anything, SNMP does have its limitations. As your network grows, managing all the SNMP traps and data can get pretty overwhelming. And if you're using older versions, there are security concerns, especially since they don't encrypt data. Now, moving on from SNMP, let's talk about NetFlow and IPFIX, 2 protocols that focus on monitoring network traffic, rather than the status of devices. You might be asking, what exactly is NetFlow or IPFIX? Well, these protocols are designed to capture and export information about network traffic. Unlike SNMP, which focuses on device health, NetFlow and IPFIX give you insight into how data flows through your network. A flow is basically a group of packets that share certain characteristics, like the source and destination IP addresses, the port number, and the protocol. NetFlow and IPFIX allow you to track these flows, so you can see things like where traffic is coming from, where it's going, and which applications or users are using the most bandwidth. So, how does NetFlow or IPFIX help with monitoring? First, these protocols are fantastic for traffic monitoring. They let you see who or what is using up your bandwidth and help you identify any bottlenecks or areas where performance is lagging. But it's not just about performance. NetFlow and IPFIX are also crucial for security monitoring. They allow you to spot unusual traffic patterns, like a sudden surge in traffic from a single IP address, which could indicate a DDoS attack or other malicious behavior. And from a network optimization standpoint, you can use this data to adjust bandwidth allocation and improve overall performance. But there are limitations too. While they give you great insights into traffic patterns, NetFlow or IPFIX won't provide the packet-level details you might need for deep troubleshooting. Additionally, collecting and analyzing flow data can be resource-intensive, especially for large networks. Next up is something a lot of people often overlook: log analysis. Log analysis is all about reviewing and analyzing the logs generated by your network devices, servers, and applications. These logs contain crucial information about what's going on in your network. Whether it's normal operations or something more suspicious, the logs are where you'll find the clues. So logs can come from a variety of sources, including size logs, which are generated by network devices like routers and firewalls. There are also application logs, which track activity within the software running on your servers. And of course, security logs, which record things like user login attempts, access control, and more. So, how does log analysis help? Well, first, it's great for troubleshooting. Logs contain a detailed history of events, making it much easier to track down the root cause of network issues. They also play a major role in security monitoring, helping you detect unauthorized access, failed login attempts, or suspicious activity. Finally, for organizations that need to comply with regulations, log analysis helps with compliance monitoring, ensuring you're meeting industry standards for data retention and security. There are some great tools for log analysis out there, like Splunk, which is known for its powerful indexing and search capabilities. You've also got the ELK stack, Elasticsearch, Logstash, and Kibana, a popular open-source tool for managing and analyzing logs. And if you're looking for another open-source option, Graylog is a solid choice for centralized log management. However, like all tools, log analysis has its challenges. The biggest one is the sheer volume of data. Logs can pile up quickly, and without a good strategy for managing them, it's easy to get overwhelmed. Plus, to truly get value from logs, you need to correlate events from multiple sources, which can be tricky. And don't forget, data integrity is crucial. Logs need to be tamper-proof to ensure they're reliable for security investigations or compliance audits. Now that we've covered the individual tools, let's talk about the real power of integrating these tools together. When you combine SNMP, NetFlow, or IPFIX, and log analysis, you get a comprehensive view of your network. Each of these tools focuses on different aspects. So together, they cover everything from device health to traffic flow to security events. For instance, SNMP lets you monitor the status of your devices, NetFlow or IPFIX gives you visibility into traffic patterns, and log analysis helps you dig into the finer details of security incidents or application errors. By integrating these tools, you can correlate data from different sources, spot issues faster, and keep your network running smoothly. Now let's wrap things up with a few best practices for using these network monitoring tools effectively. First, it's crucial to choose the right tools for your network. If you have a small network, maybe just SNMP is enough. But for larger, more complex environments, combining all three might be the way to go. Set up alerts to be notified when something goes wrong, like when CPU usage spikes or a device goes offline. Keep everything updated to make sure you're always taking advantage of the latest features and security improvements. When it comes to security, make sure to leverage your logs and flow data to spot any suspicious activity early on. And finally, avoid data overload. Don't try to collect everything. Focus on the most important data to keep things manageable. And that's a wrap on our deep dive into network monitoring. By using tools like SNMP, NetFlow, or IPFIX, and log analysis, you'll be able to keep your network healthy, secure, and running at peak performance. These tools, when used together, offer you a 360-degree view of your network's health, traffic, and security. With SNMP providing insights into device status, NetFlow or IPFIX shedding light on traffic patterns, and log analysis helping you dive deeper into events and security incidents, you'll have a complete toolkit for proactive monitoring. Thanks for watching Bluehat Cybersec Academy. If this video added value to your day, give it a like, share it with someone who could benefit, and subscribe for more practical networking and cybersecurity content from Bluehat Cybersec Academy. Drop a comment. We'd love to hear how you're applying these concepts in your own environment. See you next time. Stay curious, stay secure, and keep building networks that actually work.